Let me give you an idea to the level of data that we track. These are your babies. These are your dealers. Every year, twice a year, we do major trending data to see where we were over last year. And we present this information to corporate. So we sit down with Ben and David Mastrangelo and so forth, and we present our data. This is what we did last year, this is what we did this year. So we're looking at how much traffic did we bring them, how many page views, what's their bounce rate, how much was organic traffic versus social media versus referral, what's their average page rank. That means for this particular dealer, for air repair, heating and air conditioning, they are position number 1 is their average page rank. They're on page 1 for almost everything we have. What's their visibility rate? So if it's 90% or above, we've done what we can. If they don't add more content, they're going to get what they get every year unless somebody does more than they've done. Then it's going to feel like they went down. We're maxed out. We can calculate clicks, we can calculate leads. We just can't see the phone calls that come to their business from their website, and this is the first year. We will be able to capture that data next year. By the end of the year, we'll have it, yes.